Hello, I am Sophia from AceVacuums. Welcome to our review of the Riccar R17 Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This versatile vacuum combines powerful suction with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for maintaining a clean and healthy home environment. The Riccar R17 is designed to handle various floor types, from carpets to hard surfaces. Its HEPA filtration system effectively traps allergens and dust, ensuring a healthier living space for you and your family. With a lightweight design and ergonomic handle, the Riccar R17 is easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. It also includes a variety of tools and attachments for thorough cleaning of every nook and cranny. To release the cord on the Riccar R17, locate the cord release button, turn the knob, and gently unwind the cord. After use, wind the cord back around the designated hooks for storage. Changing the vacuum bags is straightforward. Open the bag compartment, remove the old bag, and insert a new one. Regularly changing the bag helps maintain optimal suction and performance. The Riccar R17 is praised for its powerful suction and HEPA filtration, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. Its durable build ensures longevity, though some users find it slightly louder than expected. While the Riccar R17 is priced higher than many entry-level models, its performance and durability justify the investment. Consider the ongoing costs of replacement bags when making your decision. In conclusion, the Riccar R17 vacuum cleaner is a reliable choice for those seeking exceptional cleaning performance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this review helps you make an informed decision.